This is the feeding portal. This is also, and then this is the bucket elevator. This is the feeding part of the bulk blending fertilizer plant. And then if we go down, below the zero level, so you can see this is the so you can see that's a silo, and then underneath it, this is the belt scale. Even though it cannot be seen very clear. But anyways, this is the belt scale for the micronutrients, which you see it is a lot smaller than the normal ones. And then this is the bucket elevator that lift up the material to the second floor. And then this is a belt scale. Now we are on the ground. So you can see the silo is on top. And then below is a belt scale. You can see a belt scale. And then, you know, it's all on the ground. Anyways, we'll come back here later. Maybe it's clear to see right here. So you can see now we're on the ground, and then there are 5 sets of the belt scale with the, weight sensors and speed sensors that measures how much material goes into which. Okay. So you can see this is the feeding portal on the 0 floor, and then this is the feeding part. Yeah, it's clear now. There's 5 sets of the belt scale on the ground. And then there is a bucket elevator into the packing machine, which is the automatic packing machine. So you can see this is the control panel, and then this is a automatic packing machine. Yep, that's the silo. And then this packing machine will continue. This is a hot sealing. This device is very expensive. Usually manual sealing is okay. And then when you come up here, you can see that's a silo. That's a semi-automatic packing machine, and then this is sealing and bagging. And then here we are at the automatic palletizer. And then this room is the control cabinet. This is the automatic fertilizer. This is the control room. Close. 哎，除非你帮我个忙，你帮我电筒开一下，下面看不太清楚。不是，我们走到下面，然后你帮我打个光。介绍一下这个配料秤。Okay, so guys, now we are on the ground. We are officially on the ground. Because because in China, the modern BB fertilizer, bulk blind fertilizer production line, the batching part is always designed to be on the ground. And then here you can see, in terms of structure, you can see on the top is a silo, and then beneath the silo we have a weighing scale. This is a silo and a weighing scale, and then with a belt conveyor that running through it. Okay, now we are actually on the ground, and then here you can see this is the belt scale that measures how much raw material feed into the whole systems or so. Yep. And then let me see, this is the control box of it. You can see there is a control cabinet, and then yeah, basically it's a weighing scale, and it's a weightless weighing scale, I think. Okay, now we are walking out. Okay. Now let's go up, and you can also see the second floor. That's first floor, and this is a -1 floor, so it's on the ground. And then this is the feeding portals. Just like I said, it's for the micronutrients, and this one is for the the bulk blind fertilizers. Okay.